Welcome to the Tangled Puppet. Angels and ancestors, beings of the most highest white light, we ask that you come in and you guide this message, giving us precise, clear protection so that I may give this message clearly, as above, so below. This message is for the chosen ones, spiritual gangsters, spiritual warriors, guides and ancestors. Give me the message that you would like me to deliver today. What is true for you? Can you be impeccable with your word? Sure you can, as long as it's not used to manipulate others. The truth can set anyone free. Let go of the results. Let go of your fears and allow the truth to empower you and others. This will set into motion a kind of change that will be supportive of you and loving and all kinds of prosperous. This is not a time to compromise or hide your truth from others. Whatever it is you want, go for it and be clear in your motives, especially with yourself. You will be so happy you did. This is a time where you will tap into the power to co-create and to manifest your best life. Doesn't it feel amazing? As the results miraculous when you tell the truth and ask the same of others. You can learn a lot from life's bountiful lessons and achieve your dreams. Love you always. So what Spirit wants us to know today is if we proceed forward in life with being a true, authentic self, speaking our authentic words when we are giving the chance, it will allow us to have miraculous amount of amazing results that are co-created with the universe and allowing us to have a beautiful life. Yeah, with embrace one's true, authentic self is what the universe wants us to do. Blossom with solar perplex. Somebody could have thought that their flame got blew out. Yeah, as we can see here, we have a shadow and a light side now. Someone has confronted their shadow and has fell in love with their shadow side. Yeah, exactly, love. With the hearts intertwined right here, as they're intertwined in their hands, their shadow and their light side, okay? Their feminine and their masculine, it's all become balanced. They're no longer controlling the outcome. This chosen one is no longer controlling the outcome, and their dreams are becoming true. You see the universe co-creating with this person, and the power is in their hands, I'm hearing. This chosen one has power within their hands. The universe co-created within them an energy within inside their hands that will create stability and joy upon their lives. 4 could have something to do with this person. The number 8 could have something to do with this person. This person's throat chakra was once locked, as well as their heart. 4/4 could be this person's birthday. Show me about the joy and the stability that this person's now having in their heart. Yeah, it's a well-deserved reward. Do you see all that gold radiating behind this person? That's the joy and stability that one now has in their life because they have unlocked their heart as well as their throat. They can now speak about their heart's truest desires. This person is fully aligned. We now have the crown, the throat, and the heart with 7, 5, 4. We also have 9 on the board. Oof. This chosen person has mastered themselves. This person used to have a lot of throat chakra issues. They had a lot of problems with being able to speak what came to their mind as well as their heart. It would get stuck right here. What was here and what was here would not come out here, I'm hearing. Yeah, it would not allow them to take leadership in their life, nor teach the things that they had mastered. Again, with 4, 4, 4, 5, 5. 4, 4 had a lot of changes with the 55, resulting in a well-deserved dreams come true with the 9, 9 energy. And 5, 5, 5 is 15, which is mastered. Yeah, with rest and reconsider. Deepest fears, their deepest fears were locked inside of their mind, their heart, and their throat, keeping them feeling like they needed to reconsider the things that had came to their mind. Reconsider these dreams and this well-deserved reward. Dreams and well-deserved reward. Rest and reconsider darkest fears. 9, 9, 9, 9. The highs and the lows, the light and the shadow. Okay. That is duality at its finest. Yeah, with the opportunity beckons. With another 4. This person released their darkest fears, which was their karma, and left them observing their opportunities, which is allowing for them to win or lose. Okay? Chosen ones. Do you see? We have 2 paths. We have the one of the fallen or the one of the angels. Yeah, of new vitality. So we could win or lose in our lives with our paths we choose. It's up to us to unlock and be able to observe the blockages in our life in order to strike out on a path. Yeah, with over here on the bottom, a wonderful surprise is coming. Could have something to do with romance. because at the top we have love. Yeah, embrace again. Embrace one's authentic self. And seek the truth. Chosen ones, we have the opportunity to stay stagnant and comfortable, or embrace the unknown, and find new vitality, to find our truest, authentic self by pushing ourselves further than what we ever have. Let's just continue to push forward, guys. I know the path is hard sometimes, and I know that life has us feeling like we're stuck in a bubble, but that bubble is our own darkest fears that keep us stuck in the mind. Once you start removing your fears out, the doorway becomes open, allowing you to release what holds you back and to move forward past that in life. Have a good night.